Hi friends, today I'm going to learn animal young one. Let's start.
Cat young one is
Kitten,
dog,
puppy,
donkey,
jaw,
donkey,
fall,
lion,
lion cub,
tiger,
tiger cub,
pig,
piglet,
duck,
duckling,
owl,
owlet,
monkey,
infant,
hen,
chick.
horse,
Mommy double cut.
horse,
Cold,
rabbit,
kit,
sheep,
lamb,
buffalo,
calf,
kangaroo,
joy.